not also sign the BICAM report. First, I am saddened by the zero budget given to PhilHealth. Huwag naman zero budget. Sa huli, ang mga mahihirap na pasyente na naman ang kawawa dyan.
In favor, say aye. Aye. All those against, say nay. The ayes have it. The bicameral conference committee report on the disagreeing provisions of House Bill number 10800 is hereby approved and ratified.
Pinuna ni Senator Bato de la Rosa, zero budget sa PhilHealth pero 76 billion para sa AKAP and AX. Kasi sa PhilHealth hindi ka magkakautang loob sa politiko, pero sa AKAP at AX magpapasalamat ka sa politiko. Very useful ito this coming election. Ang AKAP, ito yung ayuda sa kapos ang kita program. Kawawa naman yung mahirap, lalo naman yung senior citizen umasa lang sa pensyon. Kung magkakasakit, saan kukuha ng pondo? Kundi sarili din niyang pera kasi walang budget ang PhilHealth. Ito yung BICAM nila. On the part of Senate, Senator Grace po yung chairperson, pirmado. On the part of House of Representatives, ang chairperson ay si Elizalde-Co, Congressman Elizalde-Co. Si Senator Bato hindi pumirma, Cayetano, Senator Bongo hindi pumirma. Sila mga hindi pumirma na ayaw nila i-zero budget ang PhilHealth. Gusto ni sa post ni Dr. Tony Lechon, isang health advocate, an open letter to His Excellency President Ferdinand Bongbong Romualdez Marcos Jr. to be to the 2025 GAA. History will remember the legacy of every president not by their rhetoric but by the lives they changed and the impact they left behind. The late President Benigno Noynoy Aquino III will forever be celebrated for the Sin Tax Law of 2012, which provided a critical lifetime that funded health programs for the poor. President Rodrigo Duterte will be remembered for the landmark Universal Healthcare or UHC law in 2019, which promised every Filipino the right to accessible and quality health care. But what will history say about President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr.? If the 2025 General Appropriation Act is signed as is with 90 billion in diverted PhilHealth funds, zero subsidy for health care. Pag ibito ni BBM, well and good, babalik sa National Treasury ang pera. Salit na mapunta sa akap-akap na yan.
Senator Goy is recognized. You may proceed, sir.
Mr. President, although I commend some of the provisions advocated in the BICAM report, I just want to manifest my strong reservation on some of the provisions of the bicameral conference committee report, which I personally find unacceptable. I did not also sign the BICAM report because details of the reconciled budget were not available earlier. This is also in line in support of the manifestation of Senator De La Rosa during the opening of the BICAM to give the members time to review prior to signing. Bakit po ako pipirma sa isang dokumento na hindi ko naman po alam ang detalye? First, I am saddened by the zero budget given to PhilHealth. As chairman of the Committee on Health, advocacy ko po ang health. Dapat po ang pondo ng PhilHealth ay para sa health. Kaya nga po, PhilHealth. Lessons learned, dapat tayo sa pandemya. We should invest more in health. Katumbas po yan ng buhay ng bawat Pilipino. Kaya dapat bigyan po natin ng priority ang health. While we acknowledge that PhilHealth has still billions in reserve funds. So, sabi nila 500 billion as discovered and discussed in 5 hearings conducted by the Committee on Health. Subsidy from the national government may still be needed to implement necessary reforms and improvements in its benefit packages. Huwag naman zero budget. Sa huli, ang mga mahihirap na pasyente na naman ang kawawa dyan. Paano po magbe-benefit ang mga pasyente kung zero ang budget ng PhilHealth? I also want to highlight that Republic Act 11223 or the Universal Healthcare UHC law also mandates that the amount necessary to implement the provisions of the UHC shall be included in the GAA. Ito po yung nakolekta noong 2023. Dapat po nakalaan po ito para sa 2025 and shall be appropriated under the DOH and the national government subsidy to PhilHealth. may pinanggalingan na po yan tulad ng sin tax collections na dapat ay para sa implementation po ng UHC. Nasa batas po yan. May earmarking po yan under Republic Act 11346 at Republic Act 11467 or the sin tax law.